Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, we're outside. We're in the front yard because I've got to do some cleanup out here. So I'm going to turn my camera around and let you see what we got going on. All right, so if I look down in here, I got a lot of just vines coming from the rose bush, and then my hedges. This is Jackson just wants me to fall down and break my leg. Very good. My hedges are tall, so I'm going to try to get those cut down. And then I also have grass growing in that shouldn't be in there. So I'm just going to spend a little bit of time just out here working on the front of the house. And I thought you guys might want to come along. Hmm? Huh? Jackson, I'm gonna have to have, I don't know where my glove is that I use for the prickers. I gotta have something for the prickers, because that's what's all up in the front there.
That is knife glove?
Mm-hmm. Huh?
There's a knife glove as well that we don't use.
I'll take whatever. All right, y'all. It's hard to film out here because of the heat and the sun, but I got all the weeds out of the bed, or the things that were growing up, grass, weed, all that kind of thing. Now I'm going to trim up these hedges, and then I'm going to sweep off this porch. I really need to power wash these cushions, but I'm not going to do it right now because I need to get some more cushions for this chair and that one over there, but it's not a today's problem. So I'm going to get the trimmers out, trim up the hedges, and then I'm going to sweep off the porch. I'll sweep off the pillow covers, but I really need to power wash them. I may take those in the backyard this weekend and get them done, but it won't be today. That's a for sure thing. All right, let me go get the trimmers and the broom so I can sweep off the porch as well, because it does look a little just filthy out here. And we'll get that done too.
Do I know?
Give him some broth out of that dish. large bag and let's get that stuff out for you, okay? Alrighty, y'all. So Jackson came out to help me get all the tree shavings up, or the hedge shavings. He's getting all those picked up. And we now have the hedges cut so you can actually see. They may not be exactly symmetrical, but they're cut. I did do the porch so I can show you what that looks like. I probably need to come out here and power wash, if not even paint this over again. So I got all that done, swept out. Of course, we have some leaf remnants, but it'll be fine. I'm not worried about those little minuscule things at the moment. I'm just happy to be able to see over the where you sit if you want it to sit. I probably need to trim down this rose bush, which I'll do at another time. But Jackson's helping me get all that stuff up, and then we're going to go and take everything in the house. Now, what I will need to do, and I think I'm just going to take them to the wash place, just take these cases off, and I'm just going to take them to the wash place so I don't have to put them in my washing machine. So I've got these two pillows, and this one. And then I'm just going to get a couple more to fill in here. So I'm probably just going to do that and take everything to the wash house. Then I will wash that table down, and I'll wash this table down as well. So that's everything for now. So there it is, you guys. All that we were able to get done this evening. It's after 7, just a little after. I did not go to church tonight because we were not having rehearsal after. So we usually have prayer during rehearsal. We were not having rehearsal. And I didn't want to just drive over for an hour knowing I had stuff to get done. So what I'm going to get ready to do is I'm going to go grab a quick shower and wind down for the evening. Just figure out a few things that I need to do. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. Like the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe. And I'll bring you guys back for the when I do the pillows and stuff. because it won't be too many more days before I get back out here. I just want to be able to make it look nice whenever we coming up. We don't sit out here right now, it's still too hot, but I just wanted to make it look nice so that when people, you know, come up to the house or whatever the case, it don't look crazy. So anywho, I do need to get a new door thing, wreath, but that's not today's problem. Anywho, thank y'all so much for stopping by. I'm gonna go jump in the shower because I've been to the gym and I've been outside and I'm hot. See you guys next time. Bye now.